Hi class, Heather Chapman here. I just wanted to walk you through a quick video on how our course is going to work this semester. Most of the class is located here in this course content area. And you'll see that each week we are essentially doing the same types of assignments. So each week you will read the chapter, you will watch Edpuzzle videos, you will take a quiz on the book and the Edpuzzle videos, you will do a discussion with our class, and you will apply the content. Each week you will also be working on something for the paper. Anytime you click onto these folders, you have to complete everything within the folder. This original link takes us to our textbook, where we can navigate using the next and back arrows or this table of contents tab. From there we have Edpuzzle videos. The number of videos and approximate amount of time that it will take you to complete is at the top of each chapter. To start these videos, you click Start Assignment. You can expand the video if you would like. Anytime you see a question mark there, that means that there's been a question embedded into the video. If you click this YouTube link, it will take you to the video directly in YouTube outside of Edpuzzle. If you click this Edpuzzle link, it will take you to your Edpuzzle account. This area is additional resources to help you. It's located in each chapter. You also have a homework, this is our quiz for each chapter. You will do a discussion board question. To complete our discussion board questions, you click Create Thread and then answer the prompt and click Submit. Let's go back into this week 2 that we were looking at. The application questions are sometimes submitted just like the homework questions, so it looks like a quiz or an assignment. And then there's also an assignment type that we'll have called a wiki. Anytime you see a wiki, it's going to be a classroom collaborative page. You just click Edit Wiki Content and you post your content there. Okay, more videos to come later.